Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be my very first YouTube video. I decided just to make this one about my project that I started for the new year. I am going to be making my own vanity. I've been trying to buy one for the longest time. They're actually quite expensive, so I just decided just to make my own. I went to a couple of stores and I bought a few things, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my vanity. Okay, so here's what I will need to make my vanity. The two drawers I bought yesterday, they are from Michael's. The original price for both of them are $100, but they are on sale for $50, so total they were $100 for both. There are 5 drawers, and they actually aren't that tall. And then what the tabletop is going to be is a shelf from Lowe's, and that was roughly $10. After I took out the parts from the box, I laid them all out. It's best this way to do it before you get started because you can see all the parts that you have and what you'll need. This is what the vanity looks like after it's all done. You can look in the drawers. There's some space down there on the side. And did not take that long.